Wanna learn how to blur pictures? Sit back, relax, and watch this video. There are two ways on how are you going to blur pictures. You can use Photoshop. You can also use the different MS Offices that is installed in your computer, such as Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and even Microsoft Excel. So let's watch now. So just like what I've mentioned a while ago, there are two ways on how you're going to apply blur effects to your pictures. You can use Photoshop. You can also use the different MS Offices installed in your computer. So let's start with Photoshop. First, you have to open Photoshop and the pictures that you're going to blur. Let's say, for example, this is the picture that you're going to blur. The next thing that you're going to do now is to click the blur tool from your toolbar. So click the blur tool. Then you can increase or decrease the percentage of strength. So you can choose between 0 to 100%. You can also choose the different mode effect, but I do suggest that you should only use the normal effect. Then after that, brush effect, or you can apply brush effect or blur effect.
So that is applying blur effect in season 2. There is another way on how are you going to apply blur effect, and that is by clicking the select tool. Select the area that you would like to blur. Let's say, for example, this area. Go to filter menu, click blur, then click Gaussian blur. After clicking Gaussian blur, you can now see the blur effect to your picture. And if you're not yet satisfied with the blur effect, you can still increase the radius distance. So, for example, from 20%, let's make it 33%. Or you can use 15%. Then click OK. So that is blurring using Photoshop. This time, I'm going to show you on how I'm going to apply blur effect to Microsoft Word. Click the picture, go to the Format menu, then click Artistic Effects. Under the Artistic Effects, choose the blur effect. By simply positioning the mouse pointer to that effect, you can now see already that that effect is being applied to your picture. Just click and it will be applied. Or you can choose corrections, then choose the variance between softness and sharpness. So let's say, for example, I would like to choose this one, 50% soften. So that is blur effect using Microsoft Word. The same procedure or the same steps should be performed if you're going to use Microsoft PowerPoint. You simply go to the Format menu and click Artistic Effect. So those are the different ways on how are you going to apply blur effect to your picture using Photoshop and using Microsoft Word or the other MS Offices. That will be all. Bye everyone. Goodbye.